Alright folks, September 25th. It is day one of the rifle hunt. I'm here with Kyle and Marty. Kyle has the tag, the lucky tag holder for a premium unit hunt.
We're excited. See if we can't find a big one. So I got two good ones with me. So hopefully they'll help me get on a big old toad.
So we sent Kyle last night to a glassing spot that we have in here. He turned, how many bulls did you turn up last night?
6 confirmed.
Turned up 6 bulls last night, one really good one they think. So tonight they're coming in, gonna try to get in front of them. See if we can turn something up down here, catch them moving to water. This morning, tag number 2 in camp shot a frickin' giant. Bull ended up taping out at 414. So I'll throw a picture up right now of that bull. A3 Trophy Hunts had him in camp. Those guys are the real deal, so if you're looking for somebody to guide, that's who you need to call.
So right now, we're just waiting for the sun to set a little bit more, and these bulls will start popping out of this tree line here. They're bedding up in these kind of flat areas that roll off this ridge here. Yesterday we were up over here on the side of the hill glassing down. We saw a bunch of bulls moving in this way. So we wanted to come back down here and see if we can get better eyes on them. We got a couple more guys up top glassing down for us right now. So we're just trying to wait for the sun to set a little bit for them to start moving.
He's coming, dude. I don't know if I'd move right now.
The wind is going this way. Yeah. So we need to just bring it across. Maybe we can't come up in this way. Okay, he's right there. As long as he's making noise, we're not going to make any. Here's the cows, okay? Cow gets set up. Be ready, he might be coming this way. Okay, he's coming. He's coming. I think they're just hanging out, like right up in this top right here. I feel like we should almost let's circle this road slowly, as slow as we can. Maybe see if we can just get an angle on it. Yes, he's fucking. Tell God. gunshot. We're listening right now. We're holding back. Alright guys, they're on the water right now. We posted Kyle up there this morning because they were quiet. It's really windy this morning. So if he's gonna shoot a bull, it's gonna happen like right now. We might hear a gunshot. We're just kind of hanging back downwind of them in case they blow out. We know where they go. But that was freaking epic, dude. I don't think my film, it was bright enough for my film to capture it, but they almost walked on top of us. So Kyle's right up here, sitting in the water tank. They should be on the water right now. Hey, they're over there. Kyle's over there. Hopefully he goes like this. We're listening for a gunshot now. We're just hanging out to see if there's any other bulls that come circling in. But this bull was hot. He was nosing his cows. He was fighting off the satellites. 15 feet. That was crazy. I wish my camera could take pictures that early. But we might hear a gunshot here really quick. Should be soon. Come on, Kyle. This run for a little bit. She's already cattle. So I think they may be coming in the water hopefully. About 6:30. We're running on the light. Could have been far away since I'm going to go toward the east. So let's see if they start showing up.
There he is, Kyle.
Got him. You look good.
It's got a little devil's tine kicking off the front, wanting to spit.
What do you think, Little?
Yeah, I'm happy. I mean, obviously I couldn't tell he was broken, but that doesn't matter to me. That's cool.
That gives him character.
Yeah.
He probably just did it in the tree that you were
Probably.
fighting.
No, he's got nice fronts. These are good. I think he's a good looking bull.
That's awesome.
Cool, congratulations.
Thanks, man.
Hey, that's your bull.
Yeah, that's funny.
They're traipsing around.
He's got a weighty main beam. He's got some character on him. That's
Yeah.
Good shot.
Thanks,
Yeah,
man.
drilled him.
He sure didn't go far.
I felt like I made a good shot on him. I just